How to fix blurry camera on Android. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Let's get started. First of all, if you're having blurry camera, that probably means your camera has dust in it, so you have to wipe your camera well. As you can see that my camera is working well because it is clean. So make sure that you wipe up the dust first. For the second step, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below and tap on apps. Here, search for camera and then open your camera. As you do so, tap on Storage and clear the cache. Once done, tap on Force Stop and then OK. And now see if this fixes your problem. If it's still showing blurry images, that means your camera is dirty from inside, so you might want to open up your phone or go to a camera technician to do that. So guys, these are the way that you can fix your blurry camera on Android. Thank you all for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.